All right, guys. So I want to post an answer key to yesterday's question. Question was Nina and Brian are selling hot dogs and drinks at the WMS Fest at the end of the year. The hot dogs cost $1 each, and the drinks sold for 50 cents each. In the first hour, they sold $19. How many hot dogs and drinks could they have sold? And then I broke that up into a bunch of different pieces. So question one was just if they sold only hot dogs, no drinks, how many hot dogs did they sell? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say, uh, I'm going to say X is the number of hot dogs they sell. And then while I'm at it, I'm just going to say Y is the number of drinks they sell. Well, I also know that the hot dogs were only $1. The hot dogs were $1, and the drinks were only 50 cents. So if I only sold hot dogs and the hot dogs are $1 each, how many hot dogs do I have to sell to get to $19? The answer there, let's see, the answer to number one would have been 19 hot dogs. Because 19 times $1 each is $19. Then question two was kind of the opposite. It was if you only sold drinks and no hot dogs, how many drinks would you have to sell to get up to $19? Well, the drinks are half the price. The drinks are only 50 cents. So I would need more drinks than hot dogs to get all the way up to $19. If I did $19 divided by 50 cents, or I'm just saying how many 50-cent drinks do I need to get up to $19? The answer there is 38 drinks. Now what happens is there's actually a ton of different combinations. Uh, it could have been 19 hot dogs and 0 drinks. It could have been 38 drinks and 0 hot dogs. There's a ton of different combinations. Um, Not the next question, but a later question was to graph this. Or, I'm sorry, was to write an equation for this. Well, the equation kind of works like what I have up here. X is the number of hot dogs, and they're $1 each. Y is the number of drinks, and they're 50 cents each. The equation ends up working like this. $1 for every hot dog, 1 times X, plus 0.5 for every drink, 50 cents for every drink, equals $19. I don't know the number of hot dogs I'm selling. I don't know the number of drinks I'm selling, but I know I'm going to pay $1 each for the hot dog and 50 cents each for the drinks. And I also know it comes out to $19. The problem told me all that. So what happens is I go and graph that equation. Let's see what happens. This is what it looks like. 1x plus 0.5y equals 19. So here's those 2 points. 0.38 means I would sell 0 hot dogs and 38 drinks. This point here, might not be able to see it. This point here is 19 hot dogs and 0 drinks. Remember, the x-axis, we said the x variable stood for hot dogs sold, and the y-axis would be how many drinks we sold. Now, it turns out every point on this line could be an answer. Well, maybe not the ones with decimals, because I can't have 0.6 of a hot dog or whatever, but right here, 136, I could have 1 hot dog and 36 drinks. I could have 2 hot dogs and 34 drinks, 3 hot dogs, 32 drinks, 4 hot dogs, 30 drinks, 5 hot dogs, 28 drinks, and so on. All of these would work.